Welcome to a new perspective on time and potential. Today we look into an uplifting concept, the universe's power to restore what seems lost, especially those years you might consider wasted. Each moment of your life holds invaluable lessons, paving the way for a future that aligns with your deepest desires and ambitions. Let's explore how recognizing and understanding these wasted years can transform your outlook and help you reclaim lost time in a meaningful way. So what exactly do we mean by wasted years? These are periods in your life you might look back on with regret, years spent in a job that didn't fulfill you, relationships that didn't turn out as you hoped, or times when you felt stuck or off your path. It's easy to view these years with disappointment, seeing them only as time lost. But what if we shift our perspective a bit? These stretches, though tough, are often loaded with lessons about resilience, decision-making, and self-discovery. For instance, a job that wasn't right for you likely taught you what you don't want in your career, which is as important as knowing what you do want. Unsuccessful relationships, painful as they may be, help clarify what you truly need from a partner. It's essential to recognize that every year of your life contributes to your growth. Instead of labeling any time as wasted, consider it as a stepping stone to a more enlightened self. Moving into the idea of being chosen by the universe can be quite empowering. This doesn't mean being selected for a special fate by some cosmic lottery. Rather, it's about recognizing that you have the ability to align with the universe's vast potentials through your choices and actions. When you start to view yourself as an active participant in your destiny, rather than a passive bystander, the feeling of time being wasted diminishes. Being chosen is about seeing yourself as worthy of positive changes and ready to step into a role that the universe has been holding for you. It involves believing in your personal evolution and understanding that the universe works not just around you, but with you. Accept the concept that your past experiences were necessary for your present and will help mold your future in ways you might not yet see. This empowerment is about acceptance and alignment, not destiny or predetermined paths. This perspective encourages you to look at your past with a kinder, more constructive lens. Instead of dwelling on what you've lost, focus on what you've gained: insight, strength, clarity, and perhaps even the courage to change course when necessary. You are constantly being chosen every day to make decisions, to redirect your path, to choose differently, and to align your life with your deepest values and dreams. Understanding that you are chosen and embracing your personal growth sets the foundation for recognizing the inherent value in every experience, regardless of its immediate outcome. While we continue, let's look into how past experiences, regardless of their nature, contribute significantly to your personal and professional growth. Consider the universal truth that change is the only constant. While we might not have specific stories to share, it's universally understood that many people, perhaps including you, have undergone significant transformations after enduring what initially seemed like unproductive periods. These transformations often occur when individuals reassess their life's direction, learning from what didn't work out as planned. Transformations aren't always marked by dramatic revelations or sudden life changes. More commonly, they involve a gradual shift in perspective, a growing awareness of what truly matters to you. This shift might lead you to make more informed choices, perhaps choosing healthier relationships or careers that resonate more deeply with your personal values and aspirations. The key here is understanding that every step you've taken has contributed to building a more resilient and aware individual. Time plays a crucial role in our lives, not just as a measure of moments passing, but as a rich source of accumulated wisdom. Think of time as your silent mentor, always there, relentlessly providing you with experiences that shape your understanding and responses to the world around you. Every challenge faced and every obstacle overcome contributes to a vast reservoir of knowledge and strength, even if the benefits are not immediately apparent. Emphasizing time's role as a teacher helps in reframing past experiences from wasted years to learning years. The wisdom gained from past missteps is invaluable, often teaching you more than your successes. Patience is also a form of wisdom, understanding that not all growth is visible and that some of the most profound changes happen incrementally and internally. While we move forward, remember that your journey is uniquely yours. The universe works through both your triumphs and your setbacks, helping you build a repertoire of skills and insights. Trust in the process and know that with time, what once seemed like lost years will reveal themselves as periods rich with lessons and growth. Aligning with the universe begins with self-awareness. This means taking the time to look inward and understand your true desires and what you hope to achieve in life. Start by reflecting on your values and goals. Ask yourself what truly matters to you and how your current path aligns with these values. This can be a process of quiet reflection where you allow yourself the space to listen to your inner voice without judgment. Once you have a clearer understanding of your aspirations, the next step is to live intentionally. Living intentionally involves making choices that consistently reflect your values and move you towards your goals. This could mean making changes in your career, choosing to spend time with people who support and energize you, or dedicating time to activities that enrich your spirit and challenge your mind. Each choice is a step towards a more authentic life, one that is in harmony with your deepest self and the universe's potential for you. To truly align with the universe and embrace the new opportunities it offers, letting go of the past is crucial. Holding on to regret or bitterness from past experiences can cloud your judgment and prevent you from seeing the opportunities that lie ahead. Letting go is not about forgetting the past, but rather about moving forward without letting previous missteps dictate your future choices. One effective way to release the past is through forgiveness, both of others and yourself. Forgiveness can be a powerful tool for emotional release, helping clear the path for new experiences without the weight of old grievances. Adopt a mindset that views mistakes as learning opportunities rather than failures. This shift in perspective can reduce the emotional burden of past years and free you to make more mindful choices in the present. While we accept these steps, the narrative shifts from one of loss to one of insightful accumulation, where every past moment serves a purpose. Up next, we will explore how embracing new beginnings can invigorate your life's journey, offering fresh perspectives and renewed energy to pursue what truly fulfills you. This approach helps ensure that the road ahead is met with optimism and a clear sense of direction, perfectly aligned with both your personal values and the broader, universal tapestry of life. Each day offers a fresh start, a new canvas on which you can paint your desires and actions. This concept of new beginnings isn't about making grand changes overnight, but about appreciating that every moment is a chance to redirect your life's path in small, meaningful ways. It's about recognizing that today does not have to be influenced by yesterday, and that each morning brings a new opportunity to make decisions that reflect your true self. To truly accept new beginnings, it's helpful to adopt a mindset that is open to change and ready to welcome the unexpected. This means being prepared to step out of your comfort zone and into new experiences that can lead to personal growth. Whether it's taking up a new hobby, learning a new skill, or simply changing up your routine, each new activity brings with it the chance to learn something valuable. By actively seeking out these opportunities, you ensure that your life continues to evolve in exciting and enriching ways. While we conclude, remember that the notion of the universe restoring wasted years is a powerful reminder of the ever-present potential for renewal and growth. Life is a continuous journey of learning and transformation, where each so-called wasted year is actually a building block for future success and happiness. By understanding the past, aligning with the universe, letting go, and embracing new beginnings, you set the stage for a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. I encourage you to reflect on your own life experiences and consider how you can apply these concepts starting today. What small step can you take right now that aligns with your true desires? How can you make today slightly better than yesterday? Engage with these questions and feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other in recognizing and making the most of every moment we are given. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on living a life filled with purpose and alignment. Every day is a chance to reset, reflect, and move one step closer to the life you truly want to live.